Amanda, what are you doing?
Hi, I'm here.
What are we doing today?
We're doing things in the garage.
What are we going to do in the garage?
We are going to be assembling this electric and that thing, that one over there.
Yeah, the 630 easy glide, easy something recumbent trike.
Something easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And the Express. And the Express should be easy. Why?
Because Lectric usually has their bikes assembled.
Yeah, so no assembly required, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't turn my hands all the way around. I'm going to drop the phone.
Don't drop the phone.
All right, let's get going. Amanda, now that we got this box half open here, I remembered seeing a picture down here. And it looks like all we need to do is open up the end of the box and we can just roll it right out so we don't have to struggle with lifting it up and getting it out of the box. Remember how much trouble we used to have with all the unboxings and trying to get these stupid boxes out? We'd lay it down and drag it out across the floor because the bike would be too heavy to lift up. Well, Lectric gives us an option to, just cut at the end of the boxes and roll it out because it's got both wheels on it already. So let's do that. Just yank on it. Oh, that's it. Use your foot.
Well, how's it? You see?
What the heck? Well, I guess it's... Oh.
You lied. Liar.
They lied to us.
Liar.
Oh. There's a type. Oh, they lied. That requires assembly. Lectric, what are you doing to us? I thought all your bikes were fully assembled, and they're not. So you can't exactly roll this one out like the little picture shows. Look, I'm a guy that follows pictures. I don't follow instructions. I don't read instructions, I should say. I just look at the pictures, like most people. Definitely assembly required. This is a bummer. I thought this was going to be real quick and easy. Oh my gosh. The Express. How hot is it outside? Yeah, and the humidity level is what? Yeah, exactly. So we went ahead and we're going to utilize the 630 Every Journey. I keep looking at the end of the box to see what it is. Simple Glide Recumbent Trike box. And yeah, we're going to finish the assembly in here since this is not fully assembled and we need to do some stuff to it. Yeah. Here we go. All right, Lectric has two versions of this bike. It has the Express 750 is what we got, but they also have a 500 watt version of this bike. But here's first look as we continue to get it unwrapped. Packaging is real nice. They use, of course, recyclable materials. We got just this paper, which got little paddings on it, and tape, paper tape instead of like zip ties that a lot of companies do. And they've got a lot of this string, like this right here, where you just pull the string and everything just comes off nice and easily. I'd like to know what some of those knots are, but you know, I hope that one's going to get stuck there. That's the keys. That's why they don't want it coming off. We do have some instructions that are attached, which are fairly simple and basic.
They're pictures.
But there's pictures, so it can show us a little bit about what we need to do to get the wheel on. And the brake, oh look, here are the brakes, and yeah. So anyway, that's the first look. This is a thin tire. I think this is I think it was like a 27.5 by maybe 2 inch or something. So pretty small tires. So just a commuter style bike. I like the color, I like the design, the graphics. Battery inside here, if I'm not mistaken, is about a 15 amp hour, but I'm not sure yet, so we got to get familiar with the bike first. Headlight, suspension forks, button pad. We're looking at things upside down now. Oh, and we got to get all that unwrapped. So here we go. Huh. Must be 18 years of age or older to operate.
How old are we today?
I'm about 5. How old are you? You're 3? Looks like we're not riding this one today. Oh my goodness. That's interesting. I've never seen a label like that. I guess they're just kind of doing a little CYA, cover themselves a little bit for liability and lawsuits and things, but a lot of places around the country, you can certainly ride an e-bike at a much younger age. In fact, some companies make e-bikes for kids nowadays. Don't know if I agree with that or not, but I'll hold that opinion. Yeah, interesting. No, these are you just snap them in. If I can do it with one hand. Oh, see, you got to pull that little thing out. So you pull it out, then you push the... Don't listen to me.
Okay.
So pull that little knob out.
And I put it in and what?
Yeah, so I think you had to rotate. There you go. You had to rotate it a little bit. Now release it. Now it's in. Nice. Super nice. I like those pedals. All right. I like it. I like it. See, because now you can adjust your handlebars. You can raise them up. All in one motion, Amanda. I like it. And then just lock it back down again. I like that latch. That stem. Oh. All right, sweet. Yeah, look, man, that's green goo. Oh, yuck. That's because Lectric likes to put slime in their tires. Now, there's nothing wrong with slime. I prefer to use flat out because flat out has a 10-year shelf life, whereas slime only has a 1 or 2 year shelf life. But it's nice that they put something in your tires to help prevent flats so you can actually enjoy your bike when you're out riding and not have to deal with tiny little air leaks. Okay, let's get this tire aired up. Oh, so hot. So hot. All right. Oh, Amanda, your favorite part. Come here.
What is my favorite part?
Well, go ahead. Do it. Do the thing.
I'm gonna do the thing. Gotta do the thing.
Oh.
Nice little harmony there.
Oh, hold on. Will Robbins, we gotta connect the green with the green here. Because it is not connected. There, we're gonna leave the keys on there. Hopefully we don't need to. Oh, check out these handlebars. These things are really swept back. See that? Let me sit on this thing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. I think we need to make an adjustment here too. Let's take this off because I think our handlebars got wiggled over and they weren't in the center. Yeah, something like that. Oh my goodness, that's kind of weird. Oh, wait, come here. You got to continue doing the thing.
Oh, yeah. That's important.
Whoop. All right. Power button. Ooh, look at that display. That's nice and pretty and bright. Uh-huh. Let's see here. What makes it go? That makes it go. All right, the first official ride on the Lectric Xpress. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, good morning. I feel like Mary Poppins. Nice. For a commuter style bike, I kind of like it. Take it for a spin. Tell me what you think. Let me get this turned around for you. Oh,
The world just popped off.
what is that?
Just a little
What
plastic
is
piece.
that? Yeah, that was just an end cap for.
Something. Over here?
No.
It's too big.
Oops. Now it's gonna roll away.
Just,
I don't know.
it's not important.
It's not important.
Just a little plastic piece.
We'll hold on to it just in case it's important, but it looks like something that would be like on the end of the axle or something. Okay, maybe not important.
Maybe not.
Take it for a spin.
I don't have a microphone.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do, Amanda.
You dropped your magnet.
Where'd it go?
I found it. Hold on.
Where'd it go?
Good thing I paid attention.
Oh, that's an itty bitty little magnet, isn't it? Show them how small the magnet is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm lost forever. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. Wait, am I too short? Oh, I'm too short. I'm too short. That's fine. I don't want to. Here we go. Whee. These handlebars are weird. Like, not necessarily in a bad way, just a little different. Yeah, a little weird. The handlebars, they're not like...
Not what we're used to.
No, not what
Just
we're
not what
used
we're
to.
used to.
Yeah, it's not like the end of the world.
No.
It's just kind of weird.
Yeah, just makes it a really easy leisure riding kind of style, I suppose.
Mm-hmm. Oh no, I forgot. Gotta do that.
Gotta do the thing.
It's important.
You have pockets?
No.
I'll put it with the other thing that we don't know what it is.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, so initially, what do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's like,
I wish they had fenders, though.
yeah, it's a little weird they don't have fenders.
Yeah, for being like a road cruising kind of bike, I would have hoped it would have had fenders, but that's okay.
I mean,
It's all right.
I guess like if you were planning to off-road, it would make more sense if you had the fenders.
Well, yeah, but even like here, we get a lot of rain. I mean, it's been raining for days. This is the first blue sky we've seen in a while.
Mm-hmm.
So the roads are wet. So even if it's just a wet road, you're going to get splashing going on back here, and it's going to, I won't show them your backside, but it's going to be like all over your backside.
I don't know. I mean, again, it's not like end of the world.
No, by all means, it's not. Hey, I'll check the website and see if they have fenders available, and if so, I might see about getting a set. All right, guys. Hey, that's going to be it for this video. Close this out, Amanda.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big ol' like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, we got the comment section below. Well, it's not down there, but you know, it's below the video. Yeah, I'm Amanda. This is Richard. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.